We're here at the Heritage Building in the lobby, and the county carolers are going to be singing Christmas carols here. Well, the carolers are a group of county employees and retirees who've been doing this since 1989. And we sing every Christmas time. We start practicing about October. We're amateurs. We need a lot of rehearsal and get ready for the Christmas season and sing the 2 weeks after Thanksgiving at some of the senior adult day health care centers in the county and at the government center area buildings, Heritage Panino and the government center. We sing a mixture of traditional and modern Christmas songs. We've even sung a song I've written, the Ballads of St. Nicholas. We try to pick songs that will lift people's spirits. It's fun to do. People will walk through, they'll stop and listen. Sometimes they'll pick up a song key and join in. Take an interest. It's a great event to bring people together. I've been doing this throughout my career at the county. We love to get more people involved. You don't have to be a professional. We can use every voice. At this point, we've got about 8 or 9 people in the county carolers. Karen Harwood plays the piano. I play the guitar. I've got some great singers. If you're interested in singing with us, we'd love to have you. Please email Patricia Ross at CPRD.